If you use astrology, you've probably, without realizing it, belonged to one of the two schools. You've either approached it psychologically, when the chart shows your emotions, your mental patterns and behaviors, or you approach it karmically, when the chart shows the timing and events, even regardless of our personality. So it's not just interpretation style, it has big impact on how we think, even outside of astrology. So in this video, we will go three things. First, we will see if in our experience there is something outside or not caused by our inner self, by the mind. Then, second would be to understand, can astrology show this factor? And the third would be the impact on the reasoning, how we see the world, how the world works. So let's roll the intro and start the investigation. I thought that we can attack this dispute, this problematic, using three types of lenses, or the pramana, the proof. How we are convinced about anything in this world. How it happens that we believe in something. This is either pratyaksha, so we see something and then we believe. This is the big core of empiricism. Then we have the anumana, which is the logic, which is the rationalism part. And then we have the pratyaksha, or the authority, or the shabda, the sound. So the sound is written in the Vedas. Like we have the astrological books and there is written something. In the medieval ages, we have this scholastic movement, which was really based on the Bible. So we had the approach of St. Thomas, which was trying to incorporate the Aristotle philosophy combined or unified with the Bible. So similarly here, all three streams of pramana are working together. We see something, or we are doing the chart reading, then we are convinced about something, then we need to unify this with our logic, with our reasoning, how this is possible and so on. And then we have this authoritative text, which we also hopefully use the reason to interpret. If you are then converting to Vedic system, to Indian astrology, and you are reading those texts, like let's say fifth lord in the third house, what it means. There is a special chapter in Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, which is giving the results for the placement of this lord in that planet. Then you have, for example, Sharavali. In Sharavali, you have meaning for each planet placement in the house, like moon in fifth house, moon in sixth house. There are many other Vedic texts which are giving you those indicators. What is meaning the Saturn in the fifth house? Those Vedic texts, when they are declaring the results for those planetary placement, they are very strongly going outside of the subjective experience, outside of personality, outside of skills and emotions. They are showing what will happen to you, in which age you will go abroad, in which age you will marry, what will be the spouse, and so on. So it is very much in that category or a paradigm of event-based astrology or karmic astrology. So when it comes to the Shastra, to this text, there is no doubt they are showing us that astrology is not only possible to be used as a tool to read the events outside of our personality, but this is even the main core, the main substance or theme of astrology. And even in the Ayurvedic texts, the Indian medicine, like for example Charaka Samhita, there is also shloka, which is the text, the quote, we could say, that the daivam, the fate, is the biggest factor for how your health will be. Similarly, in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 12th chapter, I think, about the Sankhya, also there are listed the what is influencing your events, and also there is stated that the daivan, the fate, is the highest, which has the biggest influence. Now, the second thing, we have to ask ourselves if everything we experience, is that a consequence of our thinking? And for example, let's say our relationship, are they really coming from what we attract? Even in the same period, in the same years, when nothing changes in us, we will have that experience, if we are honest, that we will experience various types of partners, and they will also contribute that the whole relationship experience. One partner can be totally different than the other, and it may have nothing to do with our personality. We are surely aware that they are psychological processes which will attract certain partners, but if you're honest, you will also see that there is some additional factor. Similarly, if we will see something like accidents, sometimes or some of them will be caused by our, let's say, problem with attentiveness, or some people will be under some influence driving, but there will be some accidents which are caused by the other party. So that person was inattentive or under influence. It has nothing to do with your personality, with your mental state, with your inner self, nothing. Similarly, you have some health experience. There is, of course, this, again, somatic part, but there's also a big factor which is outside of your inner self, which has a big impact on what you experience. By the way, if you'd like to have more clarity about your relationship or career life or the health, using Vedic astrology, when we are going through your Rasi, Navamsha, Dashamsa, all the Varga charts, the dashas and the remedies, then please consider booking the consultation. You can find the link in the description. So you will notice that, for example, your siblings' jobs, your parents' jobs, your family members' ailments, their financial situation, it is not coming from your inner self. There are other factors, which are the karmic factors, and these are the subject of Vedic astrology. So if we went to these two challenges and we agree, yes, there is something additional, then the question is, can astrology show that karmic part? Those influences in our outside world which are happening to us and which are also big part of our experience. So now it is very hard to share the experience. Every one of us has to go through it individually. But if you are already exposed to chart reading, if someone from the Vedic astrology tradition have read your chart, then you probably have noticed that there are some things which are not part of your personality, so which are part of this drama of your life, which is seen in the chart. Or even if you are practicing astrology, you can also see it in your chart that there will be information about this outside world of yours, the fate which is coming with you in this life. And in Vedic astrology, this is especially connected to the dasha and the varga. So dasha is the timing system in which things are happening. So you will notice that in some point of time, there will be a switch of things. Some of our efforts will be more difficult in these areas. Some of our efforts will be easier in other areas. Sometimes we get unblocked in relationship or health matters or in our productivity. The things are going much, much smoother because the dasha has changed. And the similar, the Vargas. The Vargas are the additional charts which are showing the world of a career, world of education, world of relationship, world of children. So we have separate chart for each of these worlds of yours. So then in the, for example, world of property, there will be a houses which will show, for example, external part of a property, like construction. Are there any delays in construction? This is, for example, ninth house in the D4. And think about it. Is our psyche, our personality, our skills, weaknesses, our preferences, is it really influencing how the construction will go? Probably not. But you will also have experience that the chart is showing that when that construction will be unblocked. This is crazy. This is the karmic part. But if you have this experience, this will also have then big consequences on your worldview, how the world works. Because there must be some setup for this to work. So we could say that the epistemology has impact on the ontology, how the things are read from the nature or from the cosmos is or will have an impact how the whole cosmos is built. So now we are going from the pratyaksha, the experience, to the anumana, to the reasoning. And that is the hardest part, especially in the current paradigm. Because if emotions are blocking our reasoning, there is cognitive dissonance which creeps in and which blocks the unifying the consequences of some facts which we already admitted. Now for the astrologer itself, similar situation is happening because in the open sources, like in those Vedic books which we were talking about, you will not get any information ironically, how to read, for example, those essential parts to Vedic astrology, like the Vargas, the additional charts. There are no rules how to read the Navamsha, how to read the Dashamsa, how to read Vimshamsa. These are those special separate charts. All these informations are transmitted from the generation to generation, and it is safely guarded by the principle called Guru Mukhagamya. So all this information is transmitted vocally, and therefore, if the astrologer is not connected to that tradition, he has no choice. He has to go to that tropical way. So what are these main emotions which are blocking us in accepting the consequences of this experience? We already had this chart read, or we see our charts and we see, yes, this is showing things outside of the mind. This is showing my fate, my world dynamics. It is incredible how it is possible that it works. But then we have this emotion. Okay, but if I will accept that there is some fate, some karma, this is limiting my potential. So this fear of losing control, or that this is somehow constraining what I can achieve, and also this authoritative things, that there is some force which is maybe dictating what I can do or what I cannot do. These emotions can put us back. Therefore, there will be people when this fear will be so high that they will not make that needed step to enter the event, the karma type of astrology. They will stay on that psychologized. But even if you go with the event-based type of astrology, there are still 7 traps which can totally mess up your predictions. So if you would like to avoid it, please consider watching this one.